Next model is the statistical model. Statistical model, they do the prediction with the help of statistics. They do the prediction with the help of statistics. In this statistical model, they do the prediction by the comparison method. What they compare? They compare the present observation of the climate, the present climatic condition, and they compare it with the old parameters, that the old parameters like atmospheric pressure, oceanic temperature, and the nature of the monsoon rainfall for several years. They take into account all those things, all these parameters. They compare how is the present condition, how it was in the past years, and based on that they make a data using the statistics, and they make the data using the statistics, and they after that they predict the present monsoon condition. So in this, what they are doing, they are making the data, by comparing the present climatic observation with earlier parameters. What are the parameters? Earlier parameters like atmospheric pressure, rainfall, or that oceanic nature of what you call oceanic temperature for many past years. So they do the comparison of the present climatic condition, how is the present climatic condition, and they compare it with the earlier parameters like atmospheric pressure, rainfall, oceanic temperature. With that they will make the comparison, and with that they will prepare a data. With the help of that they will prepare a data using statistics. With that data they will predict the present monsoon condition, how the present rainfall can be. So they will come to know how it was in the past, how the factors were, which factors affected that, and what is the present factor, how it is going to affect the rainfall. So everything they take into account, and they predict the present monsoon based on the statistical data. So that is your statistical model. So these are the three models which were used, or which are used to predict the monsoon that is seen in India. So based on these models, with the help of these models, the Indian Meteorological Department are able to predict the monsoon, or the rainfall, or a climatic change that is happening in India. But let me tell you children, as I told you in the previous video also, that the models have to be updated. We cannot be using the old model every time, because as there are different parameters that is affecting the climate in different ways. So to bring out that changes, we have to keep updating the models. So it is done by the Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology Department, who are preparing new models based on the new techniques. So that is about the models, monsoon models, which I wanted to explain you. Children, again I am telling you the three models: mathematical, holistic, and statistical model. It is given a small paragraph in your textbook. You have to write it as it is. Slightly here and there is completely okay, but their wordings cannot be changed more. Okay, so see to it that you are able to write it as it is. In the next class, I'll be talking about the new topic, that is the solid waste management. Till now we have learnt about the meteorological department, Indian Meteorological Department, the climatic change, the weather related events, everything we have seen in this chapter, which was more of geography related thing. Now we are going to come to the other important topic of the chapter, that is the solid waste management, which we are going to learn in detail in the next class. Thank you.